This 3D maze is such a brain teaser. It reminds me of the original Rubik's Cube, but on a whole new level of challenge. First off, the cube is much larger, measuring at 5 by 5 inches. And I know the box says this puzzle is for 8 years and up, but this has been a brain teaser for the entire family, including the adults. Let's take a closer look. The cube is made of a hard plastic that is completely clear so you can see the maze inside. To start the maze, you need to get the silver ball to the white part of the maze where it says start. The entire maze is divided into parts, each with a different color. There are a total of 200 barriers that the ball needs to travel through. You need to maneuver the little silver ball around to get through the maze, and when the silver ball is blocked by a part of the maze, the only way to maneuver through it is to either turn the cube or twist one of the three levels. To solve the puzzle and get through the entire maze, you need to strategically turn and twist the cube so the silver ball is set on the right path until it reaches the end of the maze. My suggestion would be to start by laying it flat on the table first. Then, when you need to twist the cube, lift it up slowly to twist. The other tip is that you'll notice each part of the maze is numbered, so you can try to roll the ball past each increasing number along the track. Just make sure the ball doesn't fall off the track before reaching the finish line.